Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Veda Food Court and Art. I hope all are doing good. Today we have a special treat for you straight from South India, Katte Pongal. This comforting and flavorful dish is perfect for breakfast or lunch. So let's dive right in and learn how to make it. Begin by washing 1 cup of rice and 1 cup of split yellow moong dal together. Pour in about 5 cups of water. Then soak them in water for about 20 to 30 minutes. After 20 minutes, add some salt, close the lid and cook for 3 to 4 whistles until they are soft and mushy. After that, for chutney, I soaked lemon-sized tamarind in water. In a mixer grinder, I added sliced onion and 3 green chilies and 5 to 6 red chilies and some curry leaves and half spoon of jeera grinded coarsely. Now it's time to add some salt and some tamarind juice and one big size sliced onion grinded coarsely. Our tamarind chutney is ready. After 5 to 6 whistles, dal and rice cooked nicely. Now add some milk, mix it and keep it aside. In a separate pan, heat 2 tablespoons of ghee, add half teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of black peppercorns and saute them until they start to crackle. Next add half spoon of grated ginger and continue to saute for a minute and add some curry leaves. Let them sizzle. Now fry the tadka nicely. Pour the tempering from the pan into the cooked rice and dal mixture. So mix well. Our hot pongal, katte pongal is ready to serve. You can enjoy it with coconut chutney, sambar or even if a simple pickle. Here I am serving with tamarind chutney and coconut chutney. And there you have it folks, a steaming hot plate of katte pongal, a classic South Indian comfort food. It's creamy, aromatic and absolutely delicious. Give it a try and let us know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing recipes. Until next time, happy cooking.